I look in this tank and I see that the water's down pretty low from the top of the drain pipe. Now usually the water should only be about an inch below that, and if it's any higher than that you should adjust it, but if it's any lower than that, something's going on. It shouldn't be that low. So I think that's what's the water noise that I keep hearing. It keeps draining somehow. The water gets down really low, and then this water fill valve, because it's low, wants to fill it up back up high. So that's what I'm hearing. Okay, somehow it's probably going to go off here in another few seconds or another few minutes, and there's got to be some reason why it's doing that. I know it's not coming from the fill valve itself. This is a brand new fill valve. The one before, I wasn't able to adjust the height anymore. So when I replaced that, it also shot more water down in there as it filled up. It didn't take as long to fill the tank up, so that was a good thing. But like right now, I'm hearing it dripping. And there's only a couple reasons why it might be dripping. Do you have any ideas why? I mean, there's a flapper valve, just a flapper down at the bottom, and it's got to, my thinking is it's got to be dripping through that. Those flappers go out after a while, and this one's about 6 years old or so. I think it's about ready to be replaced. Now there's also a gasket underneath that, and it could be the gasket for some reason is loose. One thing at a time, and I'll figure it out.